welcome to Part 3 HOL model train layout. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and click on the bell button. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Pali, can you introduce yourself?
Actually, I started my education at Princess College, Kagambu, and thereafter I joined the Ceylon Police as a sub-inspector of police.
Okay.
So after serving the police department for 19 years, as I got my promotion as a superintendent of police, I left the police and I joined the aviation industry.
Right.
I was the head of security for LANKA.
LANKA.
And then I served LANKA for around 15 years. And after that, I got an offer from Oman Air to be the head of security for Oman Air based in Oman.
Right.
So then I went over to Oman. I went for 2 years,
I see.
but I ultimately completed 8 years and then came back to Sri Lanka because my wife was asking me to come back, said that it's enough that I stayed abroad.
She's alone, I think.
She was alone because my son was a pilot in the Air Force, so we lost him in the war.
Oh, very sad to
bit
know.
of a tragedy. And then I came back to Sri Lanka, and having come back to Sri Lanka, I was employed at the Hatton National Bank as the security coordinator. I worked there for 5 years, and then I retired from the bank and took up to aviation security consultancy.
Then how you involve this kind of hobby?
Actually, this was something that I really loved from my very, very young days. As a schoolboy, I really...
You like model train?
I like model trains, and whenever I go abroad, I make it opportunity to travel by train.
Travel by
train.
Yeah.
And then, of course, at the same time,
Yeah,
when I started the hobby, I used to buy equipment and bring it.
Right.
And then at the end of the day, I assembled this layout with a friend of mine called Kittle.
Right. So finally now I can see the very pretty layout. And what is the size of this?
I think this is about 12 by... there again it's about 12 by 6.
12 by 6.
6
Right.
yes.
And there are two types of trains, DC and DCC.
Yeah.
What you are using?
Actually, mine is DCC. I have a few locomotives that are DC. I just kept for just as an exhibit.
Right.
Of course, in this layout, I got the coastal line which runs by the sea,
Right.
and then I have the upcountry line, and that's
The city.
upcountry line, and this is of course the main city. I couldn't get the entire 9-arc bridge, but instead of the 9-arc bridge, I have 5 arches there.
Yeah.
Just another.
Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Thinethra_model train. We will back with more videos.